Swadika, my name is Judela Razakna. I'm ready for ASEAN Foundation Model Asian Meeting 2019. See you there!
Salam Rakan, my name is Rizky Oktajaya. I'm ready for ASEAN Foundation Model Asian Meeting 2019 in Thailand. Terima kasih.
Hi there, my name is Aula Gusti. I'm ready to be a part of ASEAN Foundation Model Asian Meeting in Thailand. See you on top, guys.
Hello everyone, my name is Mohamed. I'm ready to be a part of ASEAN Foundation Model Asian Meeting 2018 in Thailand. See you on the top, guys. Salam anak Nanggro.
What's up, guys? My name is Muhammad Abdallah Hussein. I'm ready to be part of ASEAN Foundation Model ASEAN Meeting 2019. See you there.
Hi everyone, education and culture are the important aspect that we have to introduce for our generation. My name is Ar-Raniry Banda. I'm ready to be a part of Asian Foundation Model Asian Meeting 2019 in Thailand. See you there. Terima kasih.
Hi, my name is Alfia Tunor. I'm lecturing at UIN Ar-Raniry Banda Aceh, and six of my students going to participate in AFMAM 2019 program in Thailand. And as lecturer, I really encouraging them to participate in this program. And for your information, they are not only great as a student, but also great as community service worker, because we both, my student and me already involved a lot in many community projects. For example, like literacy program and teaching classes for many poor people out there, many poor children out there. So with this program, I believe my children gonna be a great ambassador to strengthen Australian and ASEAN around. Thank you.